In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pending transactions on PayPal. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and the first thing you guys should always do is open up your PayPal account, and then you want to go to the activity section just like so. From here, please go ahead and locate the transaction that is pending. So here's our transaction just like so. So number one is you want to go ahead and first of all, take a look at the status of the transaction. So notice over here, it does say pending. So if you see something like that, here are some things that you guys could quickly do in order to actually fix this issue. Number one is make sure you have sufficient funds. So verify that your linked bank account, card or debit card or PayPal balance has enough funds to cover the transaction. Insufficient funds can delay or stall payments and not fulfill the transaction until the sender actually does have sufficient amount of money in their bank account. So guys, make sure to go ahead and check that because that is something that could be happening. Next up is you need to confirm recipient action. So if you're the one who sent money, the recipient may need to accept the payment, especially for unverified accounts or payments in different currencies. And basically you want to go ahead and contact them to confirm that they claimed the funds or completed their account verification. And another thing that you guys want to do is you want to verify your account. So unverified PayPal accounts have transaction limits, so you need to complete verification by linking and confirming a bank or card and providing any requested identity details like an ID or a social security number. Also, you need to make sure that both of the accounts that are trying to do the transaction have good standing PayPal accounts. So PayPal may place a hold on transactions for security reasons. For example, if it's like a large amount of money that isn't normal for your guys' accounts, and also new recipients or unusual activity. So you need to make sure your account is secure by using a strong password, And if there's any restrictions on either of the actual PayPal accounts, that is going to cause issues, guys. So please keep that in mind. So if the transaction is stuck and you're the sender, you may be able to cancel it from the activities section. If it's labeled unclaimed or pending, then you could retry the payment with a verified payment method. Note, you can't cancel payments once the recipient has claimed them. And also, if it's friends and family, unfortunately, you cannot get a refund either, so you can't really restart the transaction. But guys, if you're still running into issues, then personally, what I recommend that you guys do is contact PayPal customer support. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up any web browser, then just go ahead and look up PayPal customer service, and over here is their phone number, and then you guys can go ahead and call them, explain to them your situation in a respectful and concise manner, and then they will attempt to help you. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.